Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate images on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel and then open any document, and you can see in my document a image is already inserted. If you want to rotate your image, just select it. Now after select the image, you can find a new tab which is picture format tab. Then just click here. After that, at the top right corner you can find rotate option under the arrange. So just click on rotate. That's it. Here you can see two options: rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree. You can choose any option as you like. If I select 90 degree left, that's it. You can see it's rotate successfully. Now if I click here again and then click on more rotation options, and here you can see rotation, and by clicking here you can change your picture position and you can set any level as you like. And that is how you can rotate picture or images on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.